Yesterday, Israel passed a law that makes death by hanging the default sentence for Palestinians convicted of killing Israelis. The new law specifically targets individuals convicted of nationalistic killings, defined as acts intended to harm the state of Israel or the Jewish people's rebirth in their homeland. The law applies exclusively to military courts, which only try Palestinians. Israeli settlers in the same occupied West Bank are tried in civilian courts and face no such penalty. Those sentences to death cannot be pardoned, and execution must be carried out within 90 days. A simple majority of a 3-judge panel can now impose the sentence. It used to require unanimity. Minutes after the vote, National Security Minister Itamar Gvir, who championed the law, was seen wearing a miniature noose pin on his lapel. Human Rights Watch, Amnesty International, B'Tselem, and the International Court of Justice have all concluded that Israel's treatment of Palestinians meets the legal definition of apartheid. Desmond Tutu, a hero of South African anti-apartheid struggle, wrote that Israelis' version was worse than what black South Africans endured. In July 2024, the ICJ issued an advisory opinion finding that Israel's policies in the occupied territories violate international prohibitions on racial segregation and apartheid. In apartheid South Africa, the regime built Bantuistans to contain black populations in fragmented territories, stripped them of citizenship, and governed them through separate, inferior legal structures. In the occupied West Bank today, Palestinians live in over 160 disconnected enclaves surrounded by checkpoints, permit systems, and separation walls, while Israeli settlers living on the same land enjoy full democratic rights under civilian law. B'Tselem has documented that military trials of Palestinians carry a conviction rate of approximately 96%, based largely on confessions obtained under duress. And now those military courts can sentence people to hang. Amnesty International called this law a public display of cruelty, discrimination, and utter contempt for human rights. Let me know what you think in the comments.